All right, be honest, which one looks better? You're still living in the 1920s and you're still using one of these kind of garage door openers, my friend, you're doing it all wrong. Let me introduce you to the MyQ garage door opener. Because this thing's so awesome, it's not a standard garage door opener. Did you know that you can give out codes to everybody that you know? You have full HD camera on here that you can make calls to the person that's there, or they can call you, and you can have a video conversation with them. Right here, it has a garage door opener on it, which means it works with any type of garage door opener. It's battery operated, so you don't have to worry about plugging it in or hardwiring anything. You can mount it anywhere that you want on the garage or even on your front door. And they have free shipping on it, so I'm gonna leave the link below. You better grab it up while you can.